To remove the alternator on the Ford Z-Tech 1.25 and 1.4 engine might look a little bit difficult. It's located at the front down here. There are a few things that will need removing first. To prevent any electrical damage, disconnect the positive lead on the battery. Then to make some space, remove the headlamp. There's 2 Torx 30 bolts and this multi-plug. Move aside the power steering reservoir. Then lift out the coolant header tank. This will make you a lot of space. Now that you can fully see the alternator, the next thing to do is to remove the main power lead. This has a little plastic cover on and is a 13mm nut. The wiring harness next to this needs unclipping too. The auxiliary belt on this engine is what's known as a stretch belt, so there is no tensioner. So to undo the 15mm bolt here and then removing the 2 top bolts will loosen the tension on the belt and allow the alternator to lift out. Once the alternator is removed, all that's left to do is to replace it in reverse order. When rebuilding, you may find that the belt is difficult to replace, but I have made a tutorial for this and I will put a link at the end of the video. This has been how to fix it. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, please pop a question below.